Let's make a moong dal dosa like this. While you're making, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Rice 1 cup, moong dal half cup, fenugreek 1 teaspoon, let's wash, add water, transfer to a blender. Transfer to a bowl. Add salt. Combine well. Keep in a warm place to ferment. Place a skillet like this. Let's make the dosa. Give a quick mix. Let's drizzle some oil. Let's remove from the edges. And fold. Let's remove to a plate. For the breakfast, the moong dal dosa is ready. Let's try it. You can hear the noise, how crispy it is. And with sambar. Very good. Healthy dosa like this. And if you like this recipe, please try it and share it and subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. And when you eat, how you eat? It's my way, Joss Moses Kitchen way. Enjoy and eat. Bye.